everyone. So finally there is mail from Kaggle about our setup instruction 5-day AI agents intensive vibe coding course with Google. So let's see what is the mail about and what are the further steps we need to do. And before discussing this, if you haven't registered yet or if you are new to this program, let me just give a brief introduction about this. So it is a 5-day program from Google and Kaggle. You'll get free AI course and you'll get free certificate. And so 5 days you'll be getting some assignments you'll need to learn and you need to complete those assignments. And also by learning this you can build a project using vibe coding, and by doing that you will get free certificate which you can add it in your resume and LinkedIn profiles. So it has high value in your resume. So if you haven't registered yet, go and register as soon as possible because the program will start from June 15th. So make sure you're registering as soon as possible. And so here you can see it is a brief summary of how the course works and detailed instructions on how to get set up. So you'll receive your first assignment on Sunday, June 14th. Next, how the course works. So the course is designed to be flexible and interactive, and you can learn at your own pace. And also you'll be getting benefiting from live sessions and community engagement. So there will be daily content release, like every day they'll be releasing new assignments. So you need to complete them, you need to learn about those and complete the assignments. Then assignment notification. You'll be getting assignment notifications to your mail. So keep checking your mail regularly.
And next, support and discussion. You need to join the Discord channel where you can connect with other learners, ask questions, and get support from Google researchers and engineers who will be monitoring the channels throughout this week. So you'll get support and help from them. If you face any issues during assignments, or if you face any issues while learning something, or any doubts regarding anything from this Kaggle, you can just post that thing in Kaggle Discord and someone will reply to it. And also Google researchers and engineers from Google will also reply, and they'll post the daily sessions there.
Daily live streams. You'll be getting daily live sessions, and the live session timings are these. You can just and you will get the live sessions on Kaggle's YouTube channel if you just click here. In this channel, they'll be posting the live session, so you can attend it live or you can find the recording sessions in this channel. So make sure you're watching those videos. And then course completion. To get most out of this intensive, like to get the swag, certificates and all, they recommend you to complete all course materials, including white papers, podcasts, and code labs at your own pace. Next, capstone project, and this is optional. So on the final day, you'll get a chance to apply everything what you have learned in this 5 days. You can apply those and build AI agent by your own. And by participating in capstone project, you'll earn a badge and certificate on Kaggle. So this is optional. If you don't get also, you'll get the certificate for doing the course. Badges you'll get for doing the courses. Next, moving to the setup instructions. You need to have Kaggle account, AI Studio account, and you need to download this IDE, that is Antigravity IDE. And I'll show you how to download and install these. Then you need to have Kaggle Discord. You need to sign up in Kaggle Discord. So I'll show you everything now. So stay tuned. Before moving further, if you're new here, I post the videos related to tech updates, job updates, internship updates, and free courses. So if you don't want to miss such opportunities, just make sure to subscribe to my channel and on the notification bell so you never miss any update from my channel. So now let's see how to set up Kaggle account. Just go to browser and type Kaggle and you'll get this page. Just click on register. If you're new, just click on register. If you already have account, you can just sign in. You can register with Google. Click on register with Google. Select your account. Click on continue. Click on next. Click on I agree. So first step is done. We are done with Kaggle account setup. So next, AI Studio account. You need to sign up in AI Studio account and you should be able to generate an API key. Click on AI Studio account. In the browser, just type AI Studio. Select Google AI Studio. So just go through this once. So just check these two boxes and then click on continue. So in the left bottom, you can see get API key, this key symbol. Just click on that. Click on create API key and you can name your key here. Just click on create key. So here you'll get the key details. You can just copy key and make sure you're not sharing your key with anyone. This is very sensitive details. So never share API key details with anyone. You can just copy key and you can work on Kaggle. So that's how we create a key. Now let's download and install Antigravity. Just click on this, or you can just go to browser and type Google Antigravity. You'll get this. Just click on download. And if you have Windows, you can click on download for Windows, and if you have Mac OS, you can go with this, and Linux, you can go with this. In the similar way, you can install the IDE also. Click on IDE, Antigravity IDE, click on download and select this accordingly. So I have already installed this, so I'm not showing. Next, Antigravity CLI, command line interface, click on install. On Antigravity in terminal, you need to go to terminal, and if you have Windows, you can paste this in your PowerShell. Just copy this, open terminal, and just paste this command and wait for the installation. Installation is succeeded. Just close this terminal and open a new terminal and just type this command AGY hyphen hyphen version. So you'll get a version. And to login, just type this command AGY auth login. Select Google Auth. After clicking on enter, you'll get a cross mark here, and then click on done. Click on yes, I trust this folder. Now you can go with it and you can chat. So here you can see, here you can ask any questions. If you have doubts regarding any topic or any project, you can just ask him. And also regarding Friday AI agent codes. It's Kaggle Discord. Click on Kaggle Discord, or you can just go to browser and type Kaggle Discord. You'll get the page. If you don't have account, you need to create your display name, date of birth. For registering, give your display name and date of birth. Then click on create account. Do this. Click on verify. Then click on join a server. Then come to mail and just click Kaggle Discord server. You get this. Click on accept invite. And so that's all for today. And every day I'll post how to do the assignment. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and on the notification bell so you never miss any update. And if you found this video helpful, please like, hype, and share this with your friends. See you in next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye.